Hope you are doing alright out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out Stomper.com. Stomper.com. Alrighty guys, we got a 1000V-HG2879-2X8 bass repair review real quick. We'll start out looking straight through SWR like we do. Hello worldwide, 0. Turn him on, variable wide open. Input SWR, hello, 1, 2, 3, 0. It tells you output P on the LP. Worldwide Clyde, get on down, 1, 2, 3. Working my 2x8. 2x8 donkey Stomper. Go over and look at our bird. 5-watt reverse. 2500 watt PP. Hello worldwide, about 1750, 18 on the bird. What we did to this thing, so the gentleman would know, ended up putting one transistor in it. That's all I had to do to fix it. So you blow the transistor, going to watch your carrier, your dead keys, your SWRs, and them sort of things. Get on the outdoor dummy load. And normally I don't change one transistor, but this is a fairly new set, so I did. Saving some money. Good customer. Outdoor dummy load. Hello worldwide. LP 119 and some change. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's on your colossal outdoor dummy load. Get on down. As you see, she's all up ready to go. Just a real quick test review. Show you we got her working for you. Like I said, we put one transistor in it, a 10 ohm resistor on the combiner and a resistor on the main combiner. There you go, man. Should be ready to go again. Alrighty guys, y'all take care. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out Stomper.com. Stomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Bye-bye.